1s square. Okay, can we try? Okay, maybe you can come up with a draft analysis, 3 to 5 minutes, and then I will discuss with you. So for example, we have the omega have been given 3, 5, 10 and 20 radian per second. Okay, before this, you have any question? Sebelum ni apa-apa, ada nak soalan tak? Ada nak tanya apa-apa tak? Do you have any question want to ask? Wafi, ada apa-apa soalan? Tak ada. Buat habis kelas
Habis tadi.
Oh ya, baik. Okay, we have this example. So 10 over s in bracket 1 plus 0.1 s square. Bracket. If you can see, join. Tak boleh lah. Tak apalah. Tak apa. Okay. So class, so we have frequency response transfer function so now as we can see here we have k, g, so s is s, so from here we have 10 s 1 plus 0.1 s square. Now, okay, so we have, kalau kita lihat kat sini, we have three system. One is s plus 0.1 s and also we have 1 plus 0.1 s. Nah, kalau kita ni, so what we can do in frequency response, we need to change to j omega and each j omega. So we have here j omega 1 plus 1 j omega, and we have 1 0.1 j omega. Okay, alright. So jadi you can divide by 3 or you can divide by 2, okay, if you like, or you can combine if you can. So if you want to combine, it will like, okay, it's like this. So we have kg A. So combine for the gain. So we have this omega 1 plus 0.1 omega. This is for combination for the gain. So if you want also, if you want to separate the every plant, every subsystem, you can use G1 J omega. Okay, you can then J omega. So we have, sorry, okay, so from here you can get G1 J omega 10 omega. Okay, so if we can get G2 omega, you can get we have 1 plus 0.1 j omega. Okay, this one is j omega square, and you will get G2 j omega. Okay, sini lah, you will get sini. So G2, you have 1 plus 0.1 omega square. No? Boleh. So this is for gain. This is for gain. Saya cerita sikit. For phase. So we have phase. So kgh equal to, we have G1 is 1 over S 90 degree, and we have tangent because we have 0.1 omega minus 0.1 omega. So we have negative 90. So 2 tangent inverse 0.1 omega. Okay. So ada soalan tak? Jadi ada apa-apa soalan in term of this discussion on solution? Ada kelas? Ya. G3, awak boleh combine G3. Okay, namanya sekejap saya cerita. Boleh, you can use G3. Sekejap saya bagi kawan awak masuk. Boleh, you can use your G3. Sekejap mana? Sekejap. Sekejap. Okay, sekarang ni we have this system is like this kan. Kita ada S, kita ada sekejap kita ada itu we have 1 plus 0.1 S square. So apa kita boleh buat kat sini? Kita boleh buat S. Boleh, tak ada masalah. You can show G3, also you can show G2 also can, because dia pair kan, maksudnya dia kembar ni, twin. Jadi 1 plus 0.1 S N1 plus 0.1s. Okay, so we can assume ataupun this is G1, this is G2, and also G3. You can use this. And G1 for J omega, we have 10 J omega. We have G2 J omega. You can put S0 J omega. And G3, we have 1 plus 0.1 J omega. Okay, so from here we have G1 gain, so we have 10 omega. G2 we have 1, we have 1 plus 0.1 kuasa 2. Okay, and we have G3 same, 1 plus 0.1 kuasa 2. Okay, so and katalah okay, ada kau masuk dia? Tak ada. Okay. Okay, so we have G1 for gain is 90 degree. So G2, okay, we have tangent 0.1 omega, and we have G3, we have negative 0.0. Okay, so from here we have for the gain G1 multiplied by G2 multiplied by G3. Okay, for gain, so we have 10 omega 1 plus 0.1 square, kan? Ini letak ini square. Okay, alright. So sini so kalau kita lihat, if we can see the total of G1, G2, G3, so we have G1 plus G2 silap ni. Jangan buat macam ni, nanti nampak macam you will get like you multiply all the G face ni. So G1 plus G2 plus G3, so we have 90 tangent 0.1 omega, tangent 0.1 omega. So jadi kita akan dapat negatif 90 tolak 2 tangent 0.1 omega. Ya, boleh ni. Macam ni okey, betul tak apa yang awak ni? Ya, baik. Thank you. So anybody? Ada siapa-siapa lagi nak tanya? Ada tak?
Doktor, saya tanya.
Ya.
Jadi dia sebabkan root tu sama yang doktor tak buat G3 ke?
Ya betul, root dia sama. Jadi bila sama tu kita combine aja.
Okay.
Boleh, tak ada masalah ya.
Apa?
Ya. Kalau tak sama kita kena buat asingan ni sebab dia sama. Jadi kita combine. Okay. So jadi bila kita dah buat ni, okay, make sure kita akan buat ni lah. Kita buat apa? Kita buat ni lah, table lah. So kita ada table omega. So selalu omega akan dibagi lah So katalah omega kali ni dia minta kita buat katalah 3, 5, 10, 20. So we need to find our G1, cari paste again. Okay, so G1, so kita ada G1, so kita ada G2, boleh, tak ada masalah, mana-mana pun tak ada masalah. So we have G2, we have G3, tengok tu tengah hari je we have G3, so we have G3. Okay, nanti or you can combine pun tak ada masalah. If you can total, okay, G1, so G2, G3, and then for G, total G, G1 plus G2 plus G3. Okay, so from here I try to summarize. Maksudnya nanti awak akan dapatkan, nanti cuba buat, lihat, you will get total, okay, total of 3 omega 3. We have, awak akan dapat lah lebih kurang 31. So our sudut 5 face is 1, 2, 3. We have 1.6. Jadi 1, 4, 3 negative. So 0.5 180 0.1 negative 126. Okay, based on these two value, can you try to come up with the sketching of the Nyquist? Boleh nanti tolong buat dan Nyquist tu, awak ambil je data ni, nanti yang detail ni, for the detail you can do by your own. Yang ni kita akan concentrate sebab because we, after we sketch on root locus, draw the root locus pula, tengok, when we draw ataupun do Nyquist diagram, okay, I will show you the theoretical how to find the gain margin and phase margin. Before this we are concentrate on the define gain margin and phase margin based on the diagram. So also we can calculate gain margin and phase margin by using the mathematical theoretical. Okay, try dulu sketching the diagram of Nyquist. Sekejap azan. Dapatkan dulu gambarannya. Okay, so jadi kita nak, okay, apa kita nak buat adalah based on this. Okay, if you can see this, yeah, this is our polar graph. Okay, based on the polar graph, okay, we have the maps. Okay, if we can look into the range of omega gain. So based on the gain, we have value of the smallest is 0.1, the maximum is 3.1. So we have 3. Okay, so kalau kita lihat kat sini what we have, kita ada berapa? Kita ada 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lebih kurang lah So for example, let's say if katalah kita assume kalau katalah kita anggap bahawa kalau kita come up with 0.25, 5, 0.75, 1. So 1.5, 1.25, 1.5, 1.7. Tak boleh ni. 1.75, 2. Tak boleh. Okay. So if we can get, then 1.5. Tak boleh. So now, one cycle is, we can assume as 0.5. So 0.5, 1. 1.5, 2. 2.5, 3. Lebih kurang lah, boleh. If you can get, boleh. Ada anybody? Boleh suggest? So, apa yang saya boleh nampak adalah we can assume as this is 1.0, this is 2.0, this one is 3.0. Ada lagi? Any suggestion? Kalau 0 tak boleh. Kalau if we use 0.25, kalau 4, 0.4, 0.8, 1.2 lebih kurang lah tapi not good lah selalunya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 2.8 here, 2.8, 3.2 okay juga, tapi somewhere here lah, sampai sini boleh katalah we don't have any choice, so we come up with one cycle is equal to 0.5, so we have 1.0. okay, tak apa, kita try dulu we try first. Okay, now we have omega 3. okay, omega 3 our gain is 3.1, and then our phase is 1, 2, 3. So 3.1 is somewhere here, 3.1. So go to the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 we have 90, 100, 110, 102, 2. Okay, 102. So now where is our 3 here? So somewhere here, katalah sini, is around here. Okay, so this is 3.1, negative 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have number second, omega 5, 1.6, 1.6 somewhere here, 1.6. So we go to 143, 143, 143 is here, is 1415, 143 somewhere here. So 1.6 here, 1.6 here. Okay, 1.6, 143 here. Okay, so ada lagi. So we have omega 10, 0.5, 0.5, 180, good. So 0.1, 180. So here tak ada masalah, it doesn't have problem. Okay, so we have 0.1, 0.1 somewhere here, 216, 216. So 216, 200 here. Okay, here see somewhere here lah, kecil sangat, 1.2 somewhere here lah. Now over here. Okay. Okay kelas. So ada apa-apa soalan? You want to raise up? So jadi kalau tak ada masalah, kita akan sambung. So we need to continue our line based on the point. So kita ambil sini, use your free hand, try Isi kurang sini lah, tu pun tak bagus. Okay, sorry lebih kurang. Tu pun tak bagus macam mana. Tak bagus ni. Okay, tak apa. Alright. So from here. Okay. Okay. Somewhere here. Okay. Based on previous lecture. So if we looking for the GM. So gain margin is 1 over X. Where is our X? Our X is intersection of this line. Mean gain, our gain line. So it will ataupun it go to line, okay, exact 0.5. So means this is our X. This is our X. Ni. Our X. Ni. Here Okay, the range of X start from 0 to intersection this, crossing this line is 0.5. 0.5. So we have 1 over 0.5. So kita ada 2. So our gain margin is 2. So how about the phase margin? Phase margin is we looking for 1.0. So this is 1.0 cycle. So once 1.0 cycle is closing, maksud dia bersilang pada 1.0 ni, kita ambil kat sini. Okay, and then we use another color ke apa-apa ke. So try to make this angle. Ni angle ni tak ada masalah lah. Angle ni lebih kurang So we have here. Kita ambil sini. Here. So this is gamma. So our gamma is based on this is somewhere kita ada 20 darjah. Okay, ada soalan tak? Kelas? Okay, betul. Semua okay. So now this is one method. Okay, today, if they ask us, to prove the to find the gain margin and phase margin using the mathematical. How? I will teach you. This is based on the graphical. To find the gain margin and phase margin. So another one. Another example. So for example, by using the mathematical. By using the mathematically. By using the mathematically, what we have now, kena ingat ni sebab normally they will ask you to, one is to prove by using the graphical, and then another one, some cases they will ask you to calculate by using the theoretical. So this one is theoretical. So the theoretical is, we have the formula is GM, gain margin, is equal to 1. So we have gain of K margin. So we have K, G, and also H, G omega here. And this one is represent as, we have phase. We refer to the phase. We have K, G omega, and H, J omega equal to negative 180. So we need to identify the value of omega. What happened now? Based on the mathematical, we need to identify the value of omega first. When the phase shift to the open loop is negative 180. Ingat benda ni. So now we need to define the omega. So we based on this, based on this criteria, we have K, G omega, H, G omega, and then based on what? Based on our calculation just now, we have 90 degree, negative 90. And then we have two tangent because of we have twin of the system, negative 0.1 omega equal to negative 180. Tahu? Okay, kena ingat. So, kita nak tujuannya, the purpose of this, to looking for omega. Okay. So, based on this, okay, you will do some mathematics. So, you will get tangent 0.1 omega and you will get 45 degree. Okay. So, based on this, you will get omega is 10 radian second. Okay. Therefore, therefore, boleh buat. Therefore, okay, the gain at this frequency is, okay, apa kita nak buat adalah kita akan nak cari ni, saya buat pada lain. Okay, so the frequency is, we looking for x because, okay, we need to define x first. So we have kg, okay, so j, we have 10, omega is 10, and we have h, we have j 10, and also we have, refer to our system, we have 10, 1 plus 0.1, 10 square. Okay, from here we'll get 0.5. Okay, so okay, thus the gain margin Allah sekejap. Okay, the gain margin is, we still continue to the same formula, gm equal to 1 over x, then we have 1 over by 7 is 0.5, and we have 2. Sama, same with what we did in the graph, sama same. So 2 based on the calculation, and then the gain in refer to the polar graph also 2, sama. Ada soalan tak? Please ask. Tanya. Penat Ya. Square dia macam mana? Yang mana? Ni. Square mana Sekejap. Oh ni. Ya. Sebab dia punca-punca, kita ambil gain dia kan. So dia punca-punca, kita habis dah, selesai. So tinggal yang ni lah, kuasa 2. Kan, betul? Dia sepatutnya yang macam ni kan. Sekejap saya tulis Sekarang ni kita ada ni omega, ini satu campur, kita ada 0.1 omega kuasa 2. Betul? This is our gain ni, kgh gain. Yang asal tu, the original kgh, we have 10, we have omega 1 plus 0.1 omega square. Lama tak biasanya. Sekejap. Buang ni. Sekejap ni. Tak mau. Sekejap ni. Okay, sekejap. Okay, kita ada, we have is, mula-mula kita ada s, z, tengok tu. Kita ada 1 plus 0.1 s square. Betul? So kita ada 1 s plus 0.1 s, 1 plus 0.1 s. So based on the frequency, okay, based on the frequency, we have j omega 1 plus 0.1 j omega 1 plus 0.1 j omega. Good. So based on our gain, omega, apa lagi? Kita ada campur, we have 0.1 omega square. Betul tak? Kita akan dapat ni kan, lastly kan, 10 1 campur 0.1 omega kuasa 2. Setuju? Last? Ya, baik okay. So jadi this is our theoretical for gain margin. Ingat tau, you need to remember this. Okay, another one we call phase margin. So phase margin phase margin. So our phase margin, kalau phase margin, okay, phase margin, so here phase margin, okay, phase margin. So we have the own formula where we have lambda 180 plus, so we have the system phase we have here, okay, and where the criteria is kgh equal to 1. Okay, so now based on our open loop, we have k, g, h. Okay, so we have n, so we have omega, we have 1 plus 0.1. Saya jarakkan sikit, copy dulu. Okay, here 0.1 omega square, square, okay, equal to 1. Okay, we need to calculate the, to find the omega. So from here, when you try to solve this equation, you will get 0.01 omega cube plus omega, lebih kurang nanti awak akan dapat 2 nanti awak akan dapat equal to 0. So equal betul tak ini W 2, kenapa 2, nanti dia akan cancel out okay, tak apa, 0 omega. So now from here you will get, okay, this is the idea so you will get the gradient. Okay, so from here, okay, apa kita dapat? Kita nak dapat dulu, we need to come up with the omega, but some cases they will give us the omega. Okay, so now we have k, g, h, and then follow what we did, okay, the theoretical. So we have 2 tangent negative ni 0.1 multiplied by 6.8, and we will get 158.4. So our lambda, our gamma is 180 minus 118.4. So we will get berapa? 180 tolak dengan ni, kita akan dapat lebih kurang negatif 21.6. So lari sikit lah, this different lah, little bit different, 1 degree, 1.6 degree. So bila kalau buat untuk ni, please use ni lah, saya buat ni tak ikut dia punya tu, mana ni okay ni, dia lagi nak masuk, ya Allah. Mana tadi? Okay, ni kena hati-hati kat sini. So come out with your ni, nanti you akan dapat in the figure what I'm, okay, I'm doing just now, I will get 20, approximate 20 lah. For the gain, okay. But based on our theoretical, okay, we will get 20, negative 21.6. So ni kena ingat, ni awak rakam kan, nanti awak ingat, balik semula ke sini. Nak cari lah, ini kena cari sikit factor lah, you need to factorize. You will get 2 or 3 answer, but you need to come up with just reasonable frequency. Based on what? Based on this. Based on this. Jadi ni okay, based on ni lah. We have 3, 5, 10, you will get. Selalunya kita akan dapat tahu kat mana dia berada. Okay, tapi it not okay, it's not critical because of you have done here. Okay, once you have the sketching of the Nyquist, and then you will know, ataupun you dah tahu dah, you exact know where is the X and what is the approximate angle of gamma. So from here, you only use this saja. You only use this formula saja. Use this formula, use this formula, okay, to fulfill the nilai, the value fulfilling. This is to looking for the phase margin by theoretical, and this is proof, okay, to prove the value based on the gain margin. Ingat dua tu saja. Maksudnya once you come up with the diagram of Nyquist, okay, from the Nyquist, okay, based on your Nyquist, and then okay, you will get that, okay, you will get directly by graphical gain margin and phase margin. Okay, but if there's, okay, they ask you to prove, okay, to prove by using the mathematics, you already know the answer based on the graphical. You only come up with the equation saja. Once you come up with the equation, and then definitely you will get the answer. It doesn't matter is they are different a little bit, tak apa, tak ada masalah, jangan risau. Sebab this is the graphical, it's not 100% accurate. Ada kelas yang ni awak nak saya share tak, yang ni formula ni?
Nak tu?
Nak, okay, baik. Nanti kejap lagi saya share. Lagi ada soalan lagi tak?
Doktor, phase margin tu nanti positif ke negatif?
Macam mana? Phase margin?
Yang phase margin yang last kali doktor tulis tu apa negatif?
Yang mana
Bawah
ni
sikit tu.
Ni
kan
negatif ni.
Positif. Tu negatif. Dia 180 minus 158 tu kan?
Dia bukan positif tu?
Bukan positif.
Astagfirullahaladzim. Yang ni kejap. Positif, positif lah. Okay, ni positif, sorry. Ni positif okay. So positif mean kita punya tu lah. Dia macam ni tau. Dia nanti sebenarnya bila nanti awak lukis Nyquist in the MATLAB. MATLAB. Nanti apa yang awak dapat dekat sini, what you get in MATLAB, sebenarnya dia duplicate. You akan dapat macam ni. Gini okay, nanti bila benda tu berlaku, dia akan jadi balik di sini. Tu positif, negatif tu dia opposite. Benda tu dia pelik sikit. Tapi in this syllabus, we only concentrate just one side. Kita hanya fokus pada one side je. Sebenarnya dia ada mirror, dia opposite. Tahu, tu kadang-kadang you boleh nampak dia positif, boleh dapat negatif. Sama juga dengan kita buat root locus. Root locus. So once you come up with the root locus, okay, kisahlah. Okay, root locus. So refer to here, you will get the angle of here, katalah. You will get here angle of this, and also opposite from this you will get positive. This is negative, this is the positive. Sama juga. So sama lah benda-benda macam tu. So root locus, okay, be careful. You need to consider all the step, and then stage and then read be careful. Some cases they will ask us to design, but some value they will given. Kadang-kadang some kita tak baca, kita terus buat je. Kadang-kadang dia bagi alpha B tu, kena hati-hati. Kadang-kadang they will give us this K. Kena hati-hati, jangan terus buat, tengok dulu, baca dulu. You need to read, be careful. Apa yang dia bagi, apa yang dia tak bagi, what they given, what they not given. So kalau if we straightforward, nanti rugi masa. Sebab your estimate to answer the first question and second question, it's quite same. 30 minute to 35 something, maybe 20 minute to 30 minute. So nak be careful. The question is very straightforward, but the constraint is you need to focus. You need to focus, and then all the information have given, you need to understand. So this is the root locus. I don't have any. I believe you can easy to get full mark on this test. Test 1 and test 2. Test 2 is 2 question. Root locus, I don't think you have difficult to answer and to draw the root locus. And then question 2 also, what I'm trying to explain here, insyaAllah it will include in the test. So be careful. So all the omega they will given, tak ada masalah. Just what you need to just follow the procedure. Procedure. Ada apa soalan? Ada lagi tak soalan? Benda apa yang awak nak tanya? So if you missing something, just information or anything, you just direct WhatsApp personal, or you can share with your our WhatsApp group. InsyaAllah I will try to answer.
Doktor, saya ada soalan.
Okay.
Yang ni yang berkenaan dengan root locus tadi.
Okay.
Yang dia tadi, sebenarnya yang kalaulah cuba doktor pergi balik dekat diagram root locus tu.
Yang tadi tu
yang tadi tu. Sebenarnya something, kalau katakan yang pole tu kan, kalau katakan pole tu dekat right hand side, ada pula kalau katakan hole tu dekat left hand side.
Sini.
Ya.
Jangan buat tulis
ayat macam tu.
They will ask you to design if we have pull right hand side. Tak boleh.
Tak boleh.
Tak boleh. All the exam, all test, all left hand side.
Okay.
Tak boleh. If the question is our pull all in the right, so mean our system is not stable. Tak stabil lah. Buat apa kita nak what the important thing if our system not stable, we are try to focus on. Tak boleh lah, tak guna. It's useless lah, maksudnya tak guna. Sebabnya sistem kita tak stabil. Buat apa kita nak study? Tahu?
Doktor dia lah satu kan yang ada yang line yang Paul Rochester simptom tu.
Ni
kan yang ni saya cuma nak recap saja. So basically kalau divergence angle tu negatif, dia akan jadi curve. Proses simptom tu. Adakah kalau katakan dia positif, dia akan jadi straight line saja kan?
Kalau positif, katalah kita dapat 31 degree so sini terus straight aja. Kalau if we have negative 31, so nanti 31 you just count with your mana nak nampak kecil kan, so just bagi nampak ada lengkup mata kail lengkup lah. Yes, you just show we are come out with from bottom. Katalah kecil kat sini kan, mana saya nak tahu benda ni 31, so just come out macam ni je dah, cukup. So this is positive macam tu.
Okay. Terima kasih dah.
Baik. So kena hati-hati kalau katalah if we have mana lagi kita ada ni this is very important, this is zeros, this is pull. From here. So our pull is 0. Berapa? Our pull plus negative what? 10. Betul? plus the value of our pole, negative pole. So negative 10 and negative 10 because of we have square. Kena hati-hati kat sini. Tahu? Okay. So kalau kita tanda tu, if we mark, okay, if we have the pole at the same point, so just make it to twice. Lalunya akan nampak lah, tak ada masalah. Okay, dah. So good luck for your test on 20. Ya. Boleh. Ya, itu saja. Ya. Dah. So good luck. So anything let me know ataupun like we discuss on WhatsApp group. So I will share 1 or 2 more question on the past previous test. So hopefully you can do some exercise. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Terima kasih. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you, Dr.
Bye.